Exercise 4b, question 5. Now it is 10h plus half of v squared. H is 4, v is 8. I substitute 4 and 8 here. And I do the square first. This is 64 and then times 1 half. And it's 40. It's 40 plus 32. That means it's 72. E is 72. Number 6. H is 3, V is 15, and find A. 15 equals 3 times A. That means A is equal to 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Number 8. C equal to 2 pi R. C is 88, find R. Okay. And 88 is 2 times pi times R. And R will be 88 divided by 2 and divided by this one. That means I divide by 2, it becomes the denominator. This one I will multiply to the numerator, and this one will be divided to denominator. This 4 and 2 is 2, 2 and 2 is 14. If you find it's too complicated, or you may like this: 88 divided by 2 and divided by 22 over R. Because both sides divided by R can cancel out. Okay, so after you change the order of numerator and denominator, you will get this. Number 9, 12 minus 3a equal to 9. 12 minus 3a. So it's like this. So negative 3a, I move to left hand side. 9 plus 3a equal to 12. So 3a equals to 3 and a equals to 1. Okay. Number 10. R is equal to 2 times a over 2 plus a. This is 10a. R times a, 2 times a over 2 plus 8. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 over 10. So it's 8 over 5. Number 11a is k to half times m times v squared. So m is 10, v is 5. 5 squared. So this will be, do the square first, 25 times 10 over 2. 10 over 2 is 5. So it's 125. Part B. If k is 98, v is negative 7. So v is negative 7, k is 98. So do the square. It's 49m. Add half, multiply both sides by multiply 2. So it's 196. So m is 196 over 49. It will be how much? So it will be 4. So 10b, I missed 10b. 3.6, 6r2. This denominator have 2 terms. I should use a bracket to bracket them, and then I multiply both sides by 6 plus r2. Multiply both sides by 6 plus r2. So these two can cancel. This 3.6 times 6 plus r2 equal to 6 r2. So 3.6 times 6 is 21.6. 3.6 times r2 is 3.6 r2, and the right hand side is 6 r2. So 21.6 equal to 2.4 r2. Okay, and r2 equal to 21.6 over 2.4. Okay, 21.6 over 24, it is 9. So it's equal to 9. Okay, thank you very much. Number 12, the formula of the total surface area is given by equation S equal to 6a squared. So now A is 2, find the total surface area. So 6a squared, substitute A is equal to 2. And then do the square first before doing multiplication. 6 times 4 is 24. So the area is 624 cm squared. Don't forget the unit, okay? Question 15. A, length, width, and area. Express L, W, and A. So express A in terms of L and W. A is equal to L times W. So length times the width, okay? Now the area is 40 and 5, okay? So find the length. So 5 is the length, W is the area, so the width will be equal to 8. Sorry, I missed length times the width, so width is 8. So width equal to 8 cm. Don't forget units. Okay, number 18. So this formula, F is 7, V is 14, find U. So you set up this equation. So 1 over U will be 1 over 7 minus 1 over 14. So 1 over 7 minus 1 over 14 equal to 2 over 14 minus 1 over 14 is 1 over 14 is 1 over U. 1 over U equal to 1 over 14. So it matches the numerator, so the U must be 14. Okay? This requires some logical thinking. D is equal to B squared minus 4AC. D is negative 8. Okay? So D is 136. B is negative 8. C is, okay, like this. Do the square and then do the multiplication. This one term, this another term, is 136. So I move 12C to left hand side become positive. I move 136 to right hand side. So 64 minus 136. So it will be negative 72. So C will be negative 72 over 12 is negative 6. So 954 equal to 900 times 1 plus 2t over 200. Right? 90 plus times a thing. So this whole thing is a one big term. So 1 plus 2t over 100 will be equal to 954 over 900. Okay? So if you divide it by 9, it will be 106. It's 100, so it's 1.06. So it's 1 plus 2t over 100. So you minus a 1, so it becomes 0.06. That means it's 6 over 100. It's 2t over 100. So 6 will be 2t, t will be 3. 21a. So now size of n-side polygon is given by this equation. You know 10 side n is 10. So this 8, do the bracket first, times 180 over 10 is 18. Okay, so A is 144 degree. Okay, the size is 8 degrees, so I miss out the degree. So I write the statement, size of angle, no degree here, but have degree here, because this is given by 8 degree. This one A, this one have no degree. Part B, the degree is 172. That means 8 degree is 172 degree. That means A is 172. Part B, okay, 172 equal to n minus 2 times 180 over n. So how to solve n? First, this is a fraction, you have to make it to low fraction. So I will multiply both sides by n. This means 172 n, no degree, because this one have no degree, equal to n minus 2 times 100. So this is a bracket, then I should remove bracket. So fraction, I will become no fraction. Bracket, I will become no bracket. So I multiply 180 here and multiply 180 here. So 172n equal to 180n minus 360. So I move 360 to left hand side. Right hand side will be 360 180n minus 172n. That means it's 8n equal to 360. So n will be 360 over 8. So it is 30, 45.